Okay, in this video, students, we will discuss the rules of image formation by spherical lenses. So here I have taken a convex lens and a concave lens. So here we will discuss first about convex lens. Here you can see this is the principal axis. This point O represents the optical center, which is actually the midpoint of the lens. Okay, here, this ray is coming parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, this will move in such a way that it passes through the principal focus of the lens. In case of concave lens, you can see the ray is coming or incidenting parallel to the principal axis. And then, after refraction, it seems to diverge from point F1, which is principal focus. Okay, now let's discuss the second situation. Actually, second situation is just opposite of the first rule. Here, the ray is incidenting on a way in which principal focus is there. Okay, so the ray is incidenting from the principal focus and after refraction it will move parallel to the principal axis. तो यहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है कि जो रे है वो आ रही है कहाँ से पास होकर, प्रिंसिपल फोकस से पास होती हुई, और जैसे ही ये रिफ्रैक्ट करेगी इसका जो पाथ होगा वो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के साथ बिल्कुल पैरेलल होगा. In case of concave lens, you can see the ray is appearing to come at principal focus. Then after refraction it will move parallel to the principal axis. Okay, तो इस केस में क्या हो रहा है, ये रे जो इंसिडेंट हो रही है it only appears to come at F2, but after refraction it will move or it will diverge in such a way that it will be parallel with the principal axis. Okay, so these rules we will keep in mind during image formation. The third rule is about optical center. Here the ray is coming on the optical center and you can see there is no refraction takes place here. Why? Because when the ray is coming at optical center, it is actually falling normally on the lens. So in case of concave, it is also the same. Then that is, if it is coming on the optical center, there will be no refraction takes place and the ray will move in its original path. So these are the rules that we will use in image formation by spherical lenses.